Want to make your mobile hotspot more secure? There's a simple switch that can upgrade it instantly. On Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can enable support Wi-Fi 6 standard to improve security and performance on your hotspot. Just note that older devices might not be able to connect once this is on. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connection, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, tap Mobile Hotspot, tap your network name, then go to Advanced, scroll down the screen, and then enable support Wi-Fi 6 standard. Tap Save to apply the change. And that's how you turn on Wi-Fi 6 support for your mobile hotspot. It boosts security and efficiency. Just make sure the devices connecting to it also support newer standard. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.